Class is in session. Art, health, and healing class is in session. Y'all haven't seen me for a moment, but this is Paul Braswell. I'm the founder and CEO of Art, Health, and Healing and Art Chit Chat and Chill. Today's session I would like to share with you during this time, during the pandemic, is regarding art, health, and healing, helping you and your family members, significant others, hopefully deal with our life-changing indicator, COVID. So with that being said, I'd like to move on to today's topic. Is going to be using something that you personally have. You don't have to go out and buy. It's very inexpensive. Something you have in your home, like a t-shirt, male, female. So I'm gonna use one of my t-shirts. And I have the pleasure of having a professional artist introduce painting or exploring your creativity with paint, a particular kind of paint, fabric paint, which I learned from this particular artist who is very well known in Baltimore, Tracy Stevens. Let's give her a bell, girl. Welcome to this. I'll ring a bell in a minute, baby. Hello, Miss Stevens. How are you, Artist Stevens? Great. So what is the plan for us today?
Okay, so what we're going to do is a couple of supplies that you need. A Sharpie. You can do a Sharpie or any other type of marker. It doesn't have to be a Sharpie, but Sharpies are like really cheap. They're like $1 each. And we're going to use fabric paint, which you can find at Michael's or Walmart or anything like that. And also, just to make sure that, excuse me, I'm sorry, maybe it's so slow. This is what I use when I start painting any project. I have a well. These wells right here cost like maybe 99 cents at the dollar store. That way you can separate your paints. You can also peel your paint off and then throw it away, or you can wash it. This is totally dishwasher friendly, and you usually get around maybe 3 to 6, depending on if you go to Dollar General or Family Dollar per package. So I'm gonna put some doodles around this t-shirt because everybody doesn't have artistic skills, but everybody can doodle, or some people call it scribble scratch. So we're going to start off with that. Over here. I'll put this on back pocket. It's good to paint with pockets.
Oh, okay. And you see a part of health, like a part of Miss Artist Stevens' rehabilitation during this time, that it could be healthy and healing for her. We've both been vaccinated, so that's why we don't have on masks and we're indoors. Yeah.
And plus nobody can.
Correct. Yeah. So this is it. She's the laugh and see what art can do for you, your family, your children, your significant other. Everyone can participate in this fun, baby. Because wait till you see the end product.
Oh, so what we're gonna do right now is with my Sharpie, I'm just gonna, doodle all around this shirt. You can do anything you want. You can even, this is a fun project for your kids also. So you can bring in your children and tell them to doodle on a shirt and things of that sort. You can be the canvas or they can be the canvas for you. You can just scribble, scratch all over the place. And children love to scribble, scratch. So, it looks pretty good already just in black and white. So imagine.
Oh, I can see it in the mirror.
Yeah, you look at that.
Oh.
So imagine once you start putting color into it. You can use any shape, anything you want. You can even close your eyes and go like this. So we're going the back now. So this is kind of graffiti looking, which is cool.
Oh.
For some reason, it's starting to look like graffiti to me.
And I did some research and I came across this graffiti artist out of New York. Oh my God, what is his name? John Basquiat. Basquiat?
Yeah, Basquiat. Yeah,
Yeah.
I did a portrait of him myself.
No, you didn't.
The way that I saw him, and I did it for New Bohemian.
For who?
The coffee shop that I told you yesterday. The guy moved to Cuba and now he's back.
Oh.
And I did a self-portrait of him, and before it hit the floor at the showing, somebody bought it.
Congratulations. Let me give her a bell for that.
He was fabulous. Let me tell you.
Was it?
I just wish he didn't. That's one thing too. That's why you guys need this art, health, and healing. He needed some healing. He needed to use his happy colors, because in the end he ended up actually committing suicide.
Yeah, it was he OD'd.
He
Overdosed. Yeah, he
Yeah.
OD'd. But go ahead.
Like, he has some fabulous weapons.
And let me tell you something. I found the research. I don't have my notes with me, but he was the first African American artist, I believe. I don't know if he was the first, but he made Time magazine cover.
Yes, he did. And
I was like, oh.
And you know who was inspired by him?
Andy Warhol.
Exactly.
I saw that. I think they were friends.
They were friends, but he was getting a lot of inspiration from him. So, like,
Oh.
if you look at some of Andy Warhol's stuff, it kind of mimics the graffiti style that Basquiat did.
Oh.
He was a great inspiration of Andy Warhol, and everybody knows Andy Warhol from the Campbell's thing in Marilyn Monroe. But he really influenced him.
Oh yeah, and I just found it very interesting. Guess who has
Where's
the purple? Guess who bought? Oh here. I'm so sorry. Guess who has his paintings? One of his paintings. Jay-Z.
Oh yeah.
Jay-Z and Miss B, honey, they probably could have bought the whole collection. And one of it, oh my God, because don't y'all try to sue me. Don't y'all try, I believe one of his paintings, because I don't have my notes in front of me, sold for, I think it was 1.2 million.
Yep, sure it is.
Oh! It's confirmed by professional artists here. Yeah. And his history, I was like, oh my God, it was traumatizing.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
So, art has a healing quality. Even if it doesn't heal you, it will heal others from your story. So
Yeah.
I think if he would have been around different people, he wouldn't have succumbed to drugs the way that he did. But people influence you, so kids take that into mind. Sometimes, even though people are your friends, you're no good for you. And you need to move away. Walk away.
Oh my
walk
God.
away.
That
That's
is
what
for
happened
sure. Yes. This activity welcomes all. Because healing and health it does not discriminate. Nope, not at all. So think about it. And, during this economic times where people are unemployed or don't have a job and don't go out and buy anything, maybe you get like $1, paint at a good dollar store. Yeah. And they get paintbrushes, make it a pack of them for $1. Stretch them. Or use your fingers. Turn around.
Yeah, let's see
Oh,
twirl. So I can
Twirl! Baby.
that looks pretty good.
I can't
You
see
can't
that.
do it anymore.
I like this like that.
That looks good.
Can y'all see it, babe? Oh, I done got too close. Sorry. Can y'all see it? Oh. What about under here? Can I get something under here? What you think?
Okay, I can. I put my name right there.
Ow! You can put your name on the side.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one you use? Okay, what color? Can we use, I'm in a dark color. So
Okay.
sign your name.
So what's the next color?
You gonna sign your name?
If you want me, I can do the short.
Oh yeah. Okay, but this color will be green. Green, think about money. But not only green because of money, but I'm thinking about the houses, plants, green. Anybody that knows me been to my house is that this house looks like a forest.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's beautiful.
Art everywhere.
I
Cause I'm an architect, so.
wish I had a green thumb.
Baby, I definitely have a green body.
I have a black thumb and everything. I even killed the I even killed the whatchamacallit, what is it called? Cactus.
Cactus?
Yeah,
It don't require anything.
I killed it.
Oh. Oh. Do you need me to stand? Yeah, I want the colors all over.
Alright, that's it.
That's all? What about the other side?
Oh no, we're gonna have to, after we get finished this, we're gonna splash some color down the bottom.
Down the bottom. Oh, this is the end of this segment.
Yep.
Well, you know me, I was expecting to go a little bit longer.
Well,
But she's the artist, and I'm following directions. Sometimes I usually don't. But anyway, but let's give Miss Stevens a hand.